Hello students, Jai Hind to all. This is Vivek Srivastav sir, and I am here with geography for class 8, and the topic that we discuss today, that is industrial system. Okay. So in the previous video you have seen the types of industries, how many types of industries, and what is industries. Now the industrial system. So let us start with a system of industry comprises into input, process, and outputs. Okay, it means it is divided into three main process. That is, first input, we have to provide some money. Okay, then the process. Okay, and after the process we will get the output. So what is input? Input means raw material, power, location, and transportation, labor, and capital investment. That is all in input. Now process, what is process? Conversion of raw material into finished products through machines by the process of manufacturing. That is known as the process. And the last, that is output. It means output means finished products obtained from the industries and the money earned through its sale. The system of industry can be understood by an example of iron and steel industry, where the inputs may be iron ore, machineries is an industry, human labor and transport cost, and the process include smelting in blast furnaces, refining, cooling, etc. The output is stainless steel obtained. Okay, so factor influencing the location of an industry. It means what are the factors that influence the location of the industry. The location of an industry can be determined by many factors. Some of the factors that support the setting up of an industry are availability of raw material, power supply, labor, land, transport, market, capital, and government policy. Availability of all these factors or even a few helps in the establishing of manufacturing industries at a place. So government encourages the setting up the industries in the remote areas to help them develop. Establishment of an industry in a town or a city helps its growth and development. Next topic, that is industrial disaster. What is industrial disaster? Technical failure are the careless handling of hazards materials in the industries can result the disaster or accident. There are few incidents in the past that were result in the irresponsible behavior of the authorities that actually turned to be the catastrophe. At around 0:30, it means 12:30 in the morning in Bhopal, in a Union Cabrese factory, a highly poisonous methyl isonite (MIC) gas leaked out, along with hydrogen cyanide and other reactions products. It causes 3,598 deaths, almost 4,000 deaths. Okay, so as per the official records in 1989, this number is in official records in 1989. Thousands of people who survived till date suffer from many ailments like blindness, gastrointestinal disorders, impaired immune system, etc. Another such incident that was happened in Gaokia, shown in China. So on 23rd December 2005, it is 2005, people were blowout in the gas well took to leave lives of 243 people. That around 9,000 people got injured and 64,000 people were evacuated. A large number of people lost their lives as they were not able to run from the exploitation area. So these are the disasters that affects our community. Now measures to reduce the risk. What are the measures to reduce the risk? Some important topics to reduce the risk, first one, industrial regions should be established away from the densely populated residential areas. Number two, people who live in the immediate surroundings of the industries should have proper awareness about the storage and the hazardous toxins that are impact, so as to follow safety measures in case of an accident. Number three, hazardous toxins should be stored in limited quantities. Number four, an industry should have the proper system to warn against or fight a fire breakout. And number five, industries should also improve on the quality of the pollution dispersion. Okay, so that is all about today's video. That is the industrial system and the disaster that from the industrials. So students, I will provide you some more important data related to industries, or yes, next topic will be industrial regions and major industries. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.